Nice night to be watching such wonderful dancing and perhaps contemplating a cooler night.
Yeah, it is still a little bit warm after a hot day. We're 4 days into spring, and we had an early summer high temperature today. 90 degrees this afternoon, hottest so far this year. Tonight it's not bad, but by morning we'll actually see some much cooler weather. It's 76 degrees right now, and skies are clear at the present hour. By morning, though, we may be as cool as 55 degrees here in the city. We haven't seen any weather like that in 2 weeks. At noon, up to 74 degrees, and then at 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, about 83. So we're right back above average after a one-night cool down due to a weak front that's moved into the area tonight. Temperatures out in the hill country already down into the low 60s. Fredericksburg at 63. Everybody else a little closer to the middle 60s. Metro area from 66 in Georgetown to 75 down in San Marcos, and low and mid 70s in our eastern counties. In Austin right now it is 76 degrees and skies are mostly clear. At the airport down to 71 with a mostly clear sky, and a wind out of the north-northeast behind that very weak front that's just pushed through the area and has become stationary south of us right now. Sunrise in the morning at 7:30. Allergy sufferers. We talk a lot about cedar fever season in January, but March and April can be just as tough for many of you. Mole count low today. Oak high, down from yesterday though. Hackberry, mulberry, sycamore and willow medium, birch low. Our allergy forecast for Thursday, low mold but high oak likely again, and at least a medium concentration of those assorted other trees. Around the state, warm from here south into the coast tonight in the 70s, a little cooler to the north. Dallas at 64, 53 degrees back in the Lubbock area. Again, that front's just moved south of the Austin area, is in the process of becoming stationary, and by this time tomorrow night will likely be lifting back to the north. It's attached to a low pressure area that's moving through the Ohio Valley, producing some tornadoes tonight in parts of Tennessee and Alabama. These lows have been moving too far to the north, though, to bring us any good rain chances or that much cooler weather. Now, I think that will change. According to the computer model, late in the weekend, we'll have one low, followed by another one middle of next week that will be tracking farther to the south. As a result, it'll pull down some cooler weather than what we're seeing tonight, and more than just one night's worth of cooler weather, and give us maybe a chance of rain. That's a big if. The 7 to 14 or 8 to 14 day outlook here takes us well into the first week of April and indicates that we may revert to a cooler than normal weather pattern beginning early this coming week, and again continuing for maybe about a week off and on. Unfortunately, during that same time period, still drier than normal, so we're not seeing any drought improvement in the foreseeable future. That little front moving through tonight will lift back to the north as a warm front here over the next couple days, and so we'll see a return to that low cloudiness, patchy fog, patchy drizzle in the morning. So enjoy tomorrow morning. A one morning cool down thanks to this little front. Some 40s in the hill country, low to mid 50s elsewhere. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're back up into the low 80s in most places. At least it's not the low 90s. Tonight, clear, dropping to 55 around sunrise in the morning in Austin, and then climbing to 83 tomorrow afternoon with a mostly sunny sky. And on the 7-day forecast, we're back into the low clouds, patchy fog Friday morning, Saturday morning, temperatures into the 80s each day. That next front coming in here early next week, maybe as early as Sunday night with a chance of a shower or thunderstorm. And then look at Tuesday, Wednesday. Highs only in the low 70s. We haven't seen that since the first week of March. Well, in the morning, we'll bring you the weather and the traffic every 10 minutes, starting at 5 a.m.